Hi guys, welcome to iNetwork 365, and in today's video we're going to learn what is network. It's a basic introduction to network, and this video is ideal only for beginners, so you'll get a basic knowledge of how computers all are connected. So here I have listed down some points of what is a network. So you can see the first point which I mentioned, what is a network, and a network is a group of computer or devices connected for the purpose of sharing resources and exchanging information. So to give you a basic idea, let me show you. Just imagine at your home, all right, you have a computer, and this computer might be connected to a Wi-Fi, or else it might be connected to a network, I mean through cable, and either both of them still they'll be connected to a wireless router or else a Wi-Fi router, and this Wi-Fi router will be connected to your service provider, I mean the one who's providing you the internet, and from there it will be going to internet. So there they'll be connected to more than millions of devices. So here you can see that in order to establish a network, you are connecting more than one device. All right. And also same thing it happens for your mobile phone. For example, imagine you have a phone and you're calling to your friend. All right. So this is also a network. And same thing if you're sending a WhatsApp message, or else if you're sharing a file to your friend, or if he's sharing to you. Either way, still it is also known as network. Alright, and here also you can see you're connected to more than one device. Now in network it comes in many forms, but here I have listed few of them to understand the basic idea. So the first one is LAN, then WAN, wireless network, campus network, cloud network, and virtual private network. So let's see what is a LAN network. So LAN network is basically like your home connection. Okay, so at your home you might be connected to a router. Okay, your laptops are connected, your phones are connected. So all these comes under local area network. Same thing in office also. In some office they have a small firewall. So this you learn later. Or else they might have a router. Okay, they might have a router, and this router will be connected to computers, laptops, or as mobile phone. So this is known as local area network. Now the wide area network, a good example is a bank. Now you can see, for example, you might be having a bank account, all right. So these banks all are connected to each other, all right. To give a good example, just imagine this is a ATM machine, all right. You have a ATM machine maybe in New York, then one and the other one is on a different city, and same like that for the other ATM machine as well. So for example, if you withdraw money here, same thing you can do if you, even if you go to a different city, you can even withdraw the money here, because the reason is all these ATM machines are connected together. So this is one form of a large scale wide area network. So the next one is the wireless network. So wireless network, it comes in many forms. It comes in Bluetooth, it comes in Wi-Fi, cellular signal, and you might be finding more of them like radio frequency. So all these things comes under wireless network. Next one is the campus network. So good example is, just imagine that you are in a university. So all your university buildings, their computers, their printers, their labs, all are connected to a network, and this is known as campus network. Next one is cloud network. Uh, an easy way to understand is, just imagine your Gmail account, all right, your Google account, I mean your Google Drive or else OneDrive. All these things comes under cloud network because it is connected to somewhere else, and you can access this resource wherever you go. All right. Next one is virtual private network. These days you might be seeing this one, or else you might be having a good experience in a VPN. So basically what is a VPN is, imagine that in a company, now you're at your home, all right, and this is your computer, and you want to access your company file server. So in order to access your company file server, you need to turn on your company's VPN and connect. So after you connect successfully, you can access your company's resources. All right. And most of the time you might be seeing what is a VPN is in your phone, because in your phone you might be having a VPN software application. So when you turn on that VPN application, you might be accessing the websites which are blocked in your country. So basically what you are doing is in the backend, so if this is your phone, all right, so if you turn on the VPN, your VPN will be connecting to a server in a different country where the websites are not blocked. So that is how you are accessing all the restricted websites. All right. Okay, guys. So that's all about the network. So these are the basic idea of what is a network, and I hope you guys understood. So please leave me a, comment if you need more videos like this. And until then, please subscribe, share, and like my video. Thank you.